Do you want to know how you can change your profile picture on Quizlet but don't know how to do so? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your profile picture on Quizlet. Go ahead and open Quizlet on your phone and go to Profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Tap on your settings and you can see that your profile photo is over here. So tap on this icon over here and then you can choose from any of these pictures over here, or if you want to choose from gallery, go to gallery, allow the settings, and what you need to do is tap on gallery and tap on the picture you want to put as your profile picture, and then tap the tick button which is on the top right hand corner. Wait for a while, and after a while your profile picture on Quizlet will be changed. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is tap on your profile. Let me show it to you guys. Go to Quizlet, go to profile and tap on this icon over here, and as you can see my profile picture has already been changed. So to change it again, tap on it and you can choose any of these emojis, press tick, and your profile picture will be changed. I hope this video about how you can change your profile picture on Quizlet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.